Pum 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 pum. Can you see me? You should see me now. Am I in focus? No, what happened? Okay, perfect. So, welcome, good morning or good afternoon, or one of these two. Anyway, I'm in Newcastle, what you've seen out there. It was the view from my room, and I was just checking the weather. The weather is so-so, but hopefully it will not get any worse. It's my first time in Newcastle, so I'm planning to go to the city, and I'm already 5 minutes late to meet the girls I'm going with, and I'm almost packed. Like here, something is still charging. Anyway, Newcastle. So it looks like this on the map.
That was our expectation, and now
And it looks like this in reality. And to be fair, I hope there is something amazing inside. Otherwise, we should have gone somewhere else. So that's DP, and DP was discovered in 1898. Not bad, right? So how was the museum? Amazing. So we recommend it for 5 to 7 minutes, not more.
unless you have a 5 year old kid, then it can be more fun.
True. Just get a kid, and you can spend more. So that's the castle, Newcastle castle. So we found the Newcastle castle. apparently they are closing soon, so we came kind of perfect time. That's the tour organizer.
Yeah.
So that's just outside in the lift there.
Okay.
Okay, it's up to you if you want to visit it. Bearing in mind you have 50 minutes. Okay.
So we just got to the roof of the castle. I recorded apparently 99 steps that we took coming up here, just to realize at the very top that it wasn't recording. So I'm still learning how to use this camera. I hope at least the images are good quality. Once again, sorry, how do you enjoy the castle?
I really enjoy
Newcastle Castle.
It's like the rain, the wind, the view, and everything, so on.
Okay, so what was better, Newcastle Castle or the dinosaur, the museum?
Oh, I don't know. Both amazing.
Museum was free and dino was nicer.
This is not free. That's still okay.
And it rains.
Whatever. Let's go.
And this makes stupid sound. So what just happened is we are skipping all the rest of attractions in Newcastle because it's raining. And yeah, basically we've just seen the castle, so yeah, I guess the title of the movie will be The Newcastle Castle.